In today's era of surveillance and security, technology must be accurate, fast, and developer-friendly. Visive AI introducing automated number plate recognition, ANPR, a cutting-edge system designed for seamless license plate recognition. ANPR excels in handling challenging conditions, from blurry images to angled plates and low-resolution snapshots, ensuring exceptional accuracy. No matter the environment, whether it's dark, fast-moving, or featuring plates with icons, ANPR consistently delivers reliable results. Our feature-rich software offers comprehensive vehicle details, webhooks, and customizable dashboards. Plus, with both cloud and on-premise options, you can tailor the setup to your needs, with or without internet connectivity. Trusted globally, our ANPR engine supports over 90 countries and regions, with customized adjustments for optimal performance in any location. Continuously evolving, ANPR adapts to real-world challenges, from sun glare to regional variations, ensuring top-notch results every time. With the ability to decode up to 5 license plates from a single image, ANPR sets the standard for efficiency and accuracy in license plate recognition technology. Don't settle for less, experience the future of license plate recognition with ANPR today.